Worth it nga ba ang pag-invest sa isang low-rise condominium inside Lancaster, New City? At ano nga ba ang meron sa Westwind na pinag-uusapan ng maraming home buyers at investors ngayon? Alamin natin sa video na to. Have you ever wondered kung ano ang pakiramdam na tumira sa isang condominium na nasa loob ng isang malaking township? Kung saan lahat ng kailangan mo ay malapit na sa'yo. Or maybe you are looking for a property investment and gusto mong malaman kung ano ang mga factors na dapat mong tignan bago ka bumili ng kondo. Well, you're in the right place. Because in today's video, we're going to explore one of the newest and most exciting condominium development in Cavite. We'll talk about project itself, the community surrounding it, the nearby developments, the lifestyle it offers, and of course, we'll take a tour of available 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units para makita nyo kung ano ang pwede maging future home or investment property nyo. Hello mga ka-Dream Home, I'm Miss Mary, your ka-Dream Home and an accredited real estate salesperson. Proud to have helped over 80 families achieve their dream of owning a home and building their property investment. If you enjoy property tours, real estate insight, and investment opportunities here in Cavite, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga latest property features. Now, let's discover what makes Westwind at Lancaster, New City worth considering. Let's first talk about why many home buyers and investors are choosing Cavite today. Kung mapapansin nyo, sunod-sunod ang developments na nangyayari sa Cavite. Mula sa mga bagong expressways, commercial centers, business hubs, hanggang sa mga infrastructure projects na nagpapadali ng access papunta at pabalik ng Metro Manila. Dahil dito, marami ang nagiging interested na manirahan at mag-invest sa Cavite. Hindi lang mas affordable kumpara sa Metro Manila, kundi dahil nakikita nila ang malaking potential ng area in the coming years. At bilang isang property specialist, isa sa madalas kong marinig sa mga clients ko ay gusto nila ng property na hindi lang basta tirahan, kundi isang investment na may pagkakataong tumaas ang value habang tumatagal.
Nakaka-attract ng investors.
Wait lang. At isa ang Cavite sa mga lugar na patuloy na nakaka-attract ng mga investors dahil sa mabilis itong development. Isa sa pinakamahalagang factors na dapat mong tignan bago bumili ng property ay hindi lang yung unit mismo, kundi ang mga developments na nakapalibot dito. Bakit? Dahil kadalasan naaapektuhan ang value ng isang property dahil sa malalaking infrastructure projects, commercial, developments, at accessibility ng area. At isa ito sa mga dahilan kung bakit maraming tumitingin na investor dito sa General Trias, Cavite. Una, malapit tayo sa Cavitex o Cavite Expressway na nagbibigay ng mas mabilis na access papunta ng Metro Manila. Para sa mga nagtatrabaho sa NCR o madalas bumiyahe, malaking convenience ito dahil mas napapadali ang daily commute. Pangalawa, nandyan ang CALAX o Cavite Laguna Expressway. Isa ito sa major infrastructure project na nagkokonekta sa Cavite at Laguna. At dahil dito, mas naging accessible ang iba't ibang business districts, commercial centers at neighboring provinces. Kung mapapansin nyo, kapag nagiging accessible ang isang lugar, mas maraming negosyo at developments ang sumusunod. At kapag mas marami ang developments, mas tumataas ang demands ng property sa area. Isa rin sa mga inaabangang developments ay ang SM City General Trias. Kapag operational na ito, mas magiging convenient para sa mga residents dahil magkakaroon ng mas malaking commercial hub na malapit sa kanilang community. Nearby din ang River Park, isa sa mga emerging growth areas dito sa General Trias. Patuloy ang development ng mga commercial spaces, lifestyle destinations, at future business opportunities sa paligid nito. At syempre, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang Bataan Cavite Cavite Interlink Bridge. Ito ang isa sa mga pinaka-ambisyosong infrastructure project sa bansa na inaasahang magpapadali ng koneksyon ng Cavite at Bataan. Imagine, ang dating mahigit 6 na oras na biyahe ay maaari na lamang maging 1.5 hanggang 2 oras. Kapag nangyari to, hindi lang travel time ang mababawasan. Posible ring mapalawak ang economic activities, tourism at investment opportunities sa magkabilang probinsya. Kaya kung titingnan natin, hindi lang tayo bumibili ng condo unit. We're investing in an area that continues to grow and benefit from major infrastructure and commercial developments. At para sa maraming investors, ito ang isa sa mga pinaka-importanting dahilan kung bakit sila pumapasok habang maaga pa. Now, let's talk about Lancaster New City. What makes Lancaster New City different from other communities is that it is a master plan township. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang ito simpleng residential development. Dito, makikita mo ang iba't ibang establishments na kailangan ng isang pamilya sa araw-araw. May schools, churches, commercial areas, transport hubs, parks, recreational spaces, at iba pang essential services. Ang maganda rito, maraming residents ang hindi na kailangan lumabas pa ng township para sa kanilang daily needs dahil accessible na ang karamihan sa loob ng community. Over the years, Lancaster New City has grown into a vibrant and thriving community, where thousands of families already live, work, and build their future. Kaya naman maraming homebuyers ang na-attract dito dahil sa convenience, accessibility, at lifestyle na ino-offer ng township. And right here inside the growing community is the project that we're featuring today, Westwind at Lancaster New City. Now that we've talked about why many people are investing in Cavite and why Lancaster New City continues to grow, let's finally get to know the project that we're featuring today. So ano nga ba ang Westwind at bakit ito pinag-uusapan ng maraming homebuyers at investors? Westwind at Lancaster New City is a 13-hectare mixed-use condominium community designed for people who want a more convenient, connected, and balanced lifestyle. Hindi lang ito basta condominium project. Ang vision ng Westwind is to create a community where residents can enjoy modern condo living while staying connected to nature, open spaces, and everyday conveniences within a thriving township. The development is composed of several clusters, Cluster A, Cluster B, Cluster C, and Cluster D, which will be developed in phases. At ang maganda rito, makikita mo na ang actual progress ng project. In fact, ang Building 1 at Building 2 ng Cluster A ay already sold out, which is a good indication of the strong demand for the project among both home buyers and investors. Sa kasalukuyan, ang available na ino-offer ay ang Building 1 ng Cluster B o ang ikatatlong residential building ng buong development, kung saan may available units pa para sa mga gusto mag-secure ng property habang maaga pa. One of the things that makes Westwind unique is its welcoming, park-inspired entrance. Instead of the usual setup na puro kalsada at buildings agad ang makikita mo, sasalubungan ka rito ng wide walkways, dedicated bike lanes, and green open spaces that create a refreshing and relaxing atmosphere. Another highlight of the project is its walkable community concept, meaning most of the important destination inside the development can be reached within just a few minutes of walking. Hindi mo kailangan laging gumamit ng sasakyan para makarating sa iba't ibang areas within the community. At the heart of Westwind is what they call the Nature Walk, a pedestrian-friendly pathway designed to connect different parts of the development. Through the Nature Walk, residents can conveniently access the clubhouse, retail row, open spaces, bus stops, parking building, and other lifestyle amenities while enjoying a safer and more enjoyable walking experience. Imagine starting your day with a morning walk, riding your bike around the community, or simply spending quality time outdoors with your family, all within the comfort of your own neighborhood. And I believe that's one of the biggest strengths of Westwind. You're not just investing in a condo unit, you're investing in a community design around accessibility, wellness, convenience, and a better quality of life. Now that we have a better understanding of what Westwind has to offer, let's head inside and take a closer look at the available showroom units and see what future homeowner can expect. Now that we've talked about the project, let's take a look at the different unit options available here at Westwind at Lancaster, New City. Here at Westwind, we offer 3 types of units: the studio unit, the 1-bedroom unit, and the 2-bedroom unit, giving buyers different options depending on their lifestyle, space requirements, and budget. Let's start with the studio unit. The studio unit has a total floor area of 24 square meters, making it a great option for young professionals, first-time home buyers, OFWs, or investors who are looking for an affordable entry in the real estate market. The studio unit starts at around 3 million pesos with a monthly down payment of approximately 14,000 pesos per month for 36 months. And through Pag-ibig financing, the estimated monthly amortization is around 17,000 pesos per month for up to 30 years to pay. Considering the location and the amenities that come with living inside a township like Lancaster, New City, this is already a very affordable option for those who want to start investing in their future. Next, we have the 1-bedroom unit. This unit offers a total floor area of 28 square meters, providing more privacy and a dedicated bedroom space while still maintaining a practical and efficient layout. The 1-bedroom unit is priced at approximately 3.7 million pesos. The monthly down payment starts at around 18,000 per month for 36 months, while the estimated monthly amortization through Pag-ibig financing is approximately 20,000 pesos per month. This unit is ideal for young professionals, newly married couples, small families, or even investors who want a property with strong rental potential. For those looking for more space, Westwind also offers a 2-bedroom unit. The 2-bedroom unit has a total floor area of 36.4 square meters, with a total contract price of approximately 4.5 million pesos. The monthly down payment starts at around 21,000 pesos per month, and through Pag-ibig financing, the estimated monthly amortization is around 25,000 pesos per month. Whether you're planning for a growing family, working from home, or simply want extra space for comfort and flexibility, this unit can be a great option. So to recap, here at Westwind at Lancaster, New City, we offer studio unit with 24 square meters floor area, 1-bedroom unit with 28 square meters, and 2-bedroom unit with 36.4 square meters. Each unit is designed to fit different lifestyles, needs, and budgets, allowing buyers to choose the options that right for them. Now, before we show you the different model units here in Westwind at Lancaster, New City, let's first talk about the top benefits of condo living that you can enjoy in this community. First is peace of mind through 24/7 security. Dito sa Westwind, you can enjoy a safer and more secure environment with guard station at the building lobby entrance and roving security personnel during nighttime. On top of that, residents will have exclusive guard access entry before entering the building lobby, adding another layer of security for homeowners. So, if you're expecting visitors or deliveries, they will need to contact you first so you can personally meet or assist them at the lobby area. Second is low maintenance and hassle-free living. Since condominium units are designed to be more space efficient, mas madali silang linisin at i-maintain compared to larger homes. And third is convenience and accessibility. One of the biggest advantages of condo living is having everyday essential within easy reach. Here in Westwind, many commercial establishments are within walking distance. Residents can conveniently access retail rows, restaurants, coffee shops, laundry services, convenience stores, pharmacies, and many other daily essentials. Aside from that, one of the best features of Westwind is its lifestyle theme outdoor spaces designed to promote a healthier and more active lifestyle. Residents can enjoy amenities such as outdoor exercise areas, outdoor workspaces, kids playgrounds, and pet-friendly open spaces where families can relax and spend quality time together. And speaking of amenities, here are some of the amenities that you can find here at Westwind at Lancaster, New City. Welcome to the model unit here at Westwind at Lancaster, New City. Let's take a closer look at the unit layouts and see what future homeowners can expect from condo living inside this growing community. Welcome to the 1-bedroom model unit here at Westwind at Lancaster, New City. Our 1-bedroom unit has a total floor area of 28 square meters. What you're seeing right now is the model unit. Later, papakita ko rin sa inyo ang actual turnover para makita nyo kung ano talaga yung included sa unit. Pagpasok natin sa unit, makikita agad natin ang kitchen area. For the turnover, included ang tiled kitchen countertop, stainless steel sink, at gooseneck faucet. Yung induction cooker at range hood na nakikita nyo dito ay hindi kasama sa turnover, pero may provision na tayo para dito. May outlets na rin kaya madali nang maglagay ng sariling appliances after turnover. Included din ang base kitchen cabinet sa ibabang bahagi ng countertop. Yung overhead cabinets na nakikita nyo sa model unit ay hindi kasama sa turnover, pero pwede nyo itong idagdag kapag na-turnover na ang unit. Sa kabilang side naman, nandito ang designated laundry area. May provision tayo dito para sa washing machine kasama ang water outlet at floor drain. Yung cabinets na nakikita nyo rito ay hindi kasama sa turnover, pero pwede nyo itong gayahin para mas ma-maximize ang space. Next, let's check the toilet and bath. The toilet and bath comes in a complete finish. Included na ang floor tiles, wall tiles, shower area, lavatory, toilet bowl, at provision for water heater. Again, ang nakita nyo ngayon ay dress-up model unit, kaya may ilang fixtures and accessories na hindi kasama sa turnover. Moving on, dito naman ang dining area at living area. Kasya rito ang isang 2-seater dining set at may enough space pa para sa living area kung saan pwede kayong mag-relax, manood ng TV, o tumanggap ng bisita. By the way, for our 1-bedroom, may dalawang options tayo. Meron tayong 1-bedroom unit with balcony, at meron ding 1-bedroom without balcony. Kung pipiliin nyo ang may balcony, dito makikita ang access papunta sa balcony area. And now, let's take a look at the bedroom. For me, maluwag ang bedroom para sa isang 1-bedroom unit. Kasya rito ang bed, side table, at kahit maliit na workspace para sa mga work from home setup. Perfect ito para sa mga professionals na nagtatrabaho sa bahay o sa mga gusto ng sariling working area. Yung walk-in closet na nakikita nyo rito ay hindi kasama sa turnover. However, may allocated space kung saan pwede kayo magpagawa o maglagay ng sarili nyong cabinet depende sa inyong gusto. Personally, I think this 1-bedroom unit is perfect for young professionals, newly married couples, starting families, or kahit sa mga gustong magkaroon ng sariling space. Kung hindi ka pa readyng bumili ng house and lot pero gusto mo nang magkaroon ng sariling property, this can be a good option for you. Less maintenance, more convenience, at mas madaling i-manage compared sa malaking property. And that's our 1-bedroom model unit. Next, let's take a look at the 2-bedroom unit and see what it can offer for growing families and homeowners who need more space. Our 2-bedroom unit has floor area of 36.4 square meters. And honestly, isa to sa mga nagustuhan ko sa mga unit options ng Westwind. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mapapansin mo na kaagad kung gaano ka-functional at ka-spacious ang layout. Pagpasok mo, makikita agad natin ang designated laundry area. May provision ito para sa washing machine, kasama ang water outlet at floor drain, kaya mayroon ka ng sariling laundry space sa loob ng unit. Katabi nito ang toilet and bath. The toilet and bath comes in complete finish and floor tiles, wall tiles, shower fixtures, lavatory, toilet bowl, water closet, and exhaust fan. Next, let's move to the kitchen area. Personally, I really like the layout of this 2-bedroom unit because practical at efficient ang paggamit ng space. Included sa turnover ang tiled kitchen countertop, stainless steel sink, faucet at base kitchen cabinet. Yung overhead cabinets na nakikita nyo sa model unit ay hindi kasama sa turnover. Pero, pwede nyo itong gayahin kung gusto nyo ng additional storage space para sa turnover. Moving on, nandito naman ang dining area. One thing I like about this space is that kasya rito ang isang 4-seater dining set, which is perfect for small families who enjoy sharing meals together. At syempre, katabi nito ang living area. As you can see, kasya ang L-shaped sofa at mayroon pa rin comfortable space para makagalaw sa paligid. Hindi siya masikip at hindi rin sayang ang space. Sakto lang para maging comfortable ang everyday living. Now, let's check out the 2 bedrooms. This room can be used kids room, guest room, or even a home office. One thing worth mentioning is the ceiling height of the unit. West Wind offers 2.8 meter floor to ceiling height, which make the unit feel more open and airy. Because of the ceiling height, some homeowners even choose to create a loft-type bed setup to maximize available space. And finally, let's visit the master bedroom. For me, this is one of the best parts of the unit. The space is comfortable enough to fit a bed, side tables, and even a small study nook or work from home setup. There's also an allocated space where you can install your own cabinet or wardrobe based on your preferred design. Again, the cabinets you see in the model unit are for presentation purposes only, but they give you an idea of how you can customize the space after turnover. Overall, I think the 2-bedroom unit is perfect for growing families, couples planning for the future, or homeowners who simply want living space without stretching their budget too much. And now that we've toured the model unit, let's take a look at the actual turnover finishes so you can see exactly what future homeowners can expect upon turnover. Before we enter, you'll notice that the main door is metal door with lock set, providing added security and durability. Once we step inside, this is the actual turnover unit of 2-bedroom unit. Although we don't have an actual turnover unit available for the studio and 1-bedroom units, the turnover finishes and specifications are generally the same. Let's start with the kitchen area. Just like the model unit, the turnover comes with a tiled kitchen countertop, stainless steel sink and faucet. Included na rin ang base kitchen cabinet and mayroon na ring grease trap installed underneath the sink. Of course, mayroon ding provisions for your induction cooker and range hood, making it easier for you to install your preferred kitchen appliances. Moving to the living and dining area, mapapansin nyo kung gaano ka-open at kaaliwalas ang space. One reason for this is the 2.8 meter floor-to-ceiling height, which makes the unit feel brighter, more spacious, and more comfortable. You may also notice that there are several electrical outlet provisions strategically placed around the unit for your convenience. Included na rin ang smoke detector, fire alarm system, at water sprinkler system as part of the building safety features. Now, if you're wondering where the laundry area is located, it's actually hidden neatly behind the main door. This designated laundry area already comes with a water outlet, electrical outlet, and floor drain, making it ready for your washing machine setup. You can also find the unit circuit breaker located in this area. Next, let's check the toilet and bath. The bathroom comes in complete finish with tiled flooring, tiled walls in the wet area, complete shower fixtures, lavatory, exhaust fan, and provision for water heater. Simple, clean, and ready for use upon turnover. Now, let's move on to the bedrooms. Westwind uses NDF panel doors for the bedroom entrances, giving the unit a clean and modern look. All bedrooms come with aluminum sliding windows, allowing natural light and ventilation to enter the room. Each bedroom also includes provision for air conditioning units, as well as multiple electrical outlets. One feature that I personally like is the dedicated space for cabinet. As you can see, there is already allocated area where you can install your own built-in cabinet or wardrobe depending on your preferred design and storage needs. The flooring throughout the unit uses 60 by 60 ceramic tiles, giving the space a clean and modern finish. Overall, the turnover is already well finished and ready for homeowners to personalize according to their own styles and preferences. So there you have it mga ka-Dream Home. That's our full tour at Westwind at Lancaster, New City. From the location, nearby developments, amenities, available unit options, hanggang sa actual turnover unit, I hope mas nabigyan ko kayo ng idea kung ano ang mai-expect nyo kapag nag-invest o tumira kayo dito sa Westwind. Personally, ang isa sa nagustuhan ko sa project na to is hindi lang siya tungkol sa condo unit. You're also investing in a growing community where convenience, accessibility, and lifestyle come together. Now, gusto kong malaman ang opinion nyo. Comment down below kung ano ang pinaka-nagustuhan nyo. Studio unit ba? 1 bedroom o 2 bedroom? And if you're interested to know about the updated prices, sample computation, available promos, o gusto nyo mag-schedule ng free site viewing, feel free to message me anytime. Again, this is Miss Mary, your ka-Dream Home and an accredited real estate salesperson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating future property tours, real estate tips, and investment opportunities. Thank you for watching ka-Dream Home and see you on our next vlog!